If you're British, you know how important a good fish and chips is, and I'll be showing you how to make it perfectly, just like the chippy. Today we're going to be making the ultimate batter, which is light, airy and crisp, delicious in combination with the crispy yet fluffy chips. To finish it off, I'll be showing you how to make classic mushy peas to complete this hearty meal. You'll need some firm-fleshed white fish for this. You can use cod, haddock, hake or pollock. I'm using cod today. You can use large fillets like I am, or you can cut those into smaller pieces. Pat the fish dry with kitchen towel and season well with salt and pepper. To make the batter, add water and milk to a bowl, then add some yeast and sugar. This is what will make the batter bubbly. Add onion powder and garlic powder and flour and mix until smooth. Cover and leave in a warm place for an hour or until frothy. Add the salt just before using. Dust the fish with flour that's been mixed with paprika. Now dip the fish in the batter and fry in some hot oil. Cook until golden brown on both sides. For the chips, I'd recommend using white floury potatoes. Cut these into chips and boil for about 5 minutes and then drain before frying. To make the mushy peas, melt some butter before adding the peas. I've used frozen peas, then season with some black pepper. Cook these on a low heat until soft and then mash and serve. Now your takeaway at home is ready. I plated mine up with the mushy peas, lemon wedges and tartar sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video and will give this a try. Please do subscribe for more fusion recipes and see you in my next video.